SheaMoisture Hydrate and Repair is a deep conditioner and rinse-out conditioner that softens, detangles and infuses damaged hair with intensive moisture for hair repair. This deep hair conditioner smooths rough, dry cuticles and seals for split-end repair. Use this damaged hair treatment to restore vitality to dull, lackluster hair for healthy hair that lasts. Work conditioner through damaged hair from roots to ends. Leave on for up to 3 minutes or longer as a deep conditioning treatment, then rinse or use daily as a cleansing conditioner. Made with Manuka honey, yogurt extract, Mafura oil, this Shea conditioner, damaged hair treatment and conditioner for curly hair leaves hair feeling stronger and more resilient. This conditioner for hair keeps damaged hair and natural hair healthy and has been tested on our family for generations and never on animals. Use as a moisturizing hair treatment. This hair conditioner and cleansing conditioner contains no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalate, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil, no animal testing and no petroleum. Top reviews from the United States. Price worth in results. Make my curls back.